Hey folks, have these channel lock curved jaw locking pliers. We used to call them vice grips too. First time ever I've had a tool made in Spain. It's pretty interesting. It'll expand out to 2.48 inches or 63 millimeters. Here are some of the features. First of all, it has a lifetime warranty, built strong. It's 10 inches. Has a curved jaw right here, so if you tighten this all the way down, and it looks like since this is out of the box, it's sticking a little. I'm going to put some WD-40 spray on here to loosen this up some. But you see when it's almost together, instead of it being straight teeth, it's got a little curve in it, so it allows you to grip a variety of dimensions at the same setting. That's nice. Second thing, which was really surprising, there's a wire cutter right here, so you can tighten this thing down, stick a wire, cut something. There's no measurement guide on how much to turn this for how thickness or gauge of the wire. You just have to estimate that. Number 3, it's made of forged steel, maximum strength, extended release. This was really nice. The feel of this, when you clamp this down, I didn't feel anything pinching. I've gotten my fingers pinched in these before, so let me shut this all the way. Lock it. It's got a nice feel to undo that. Really, really solid. Got an epoxy resin coating on top of the forged steel to help prevent rusting and spatter. And like I said, made in Spain. Everything is riveted. There's no way to open these. So I'm going to open this all the way, and this pops out. I'm going to put a little spray on here, to take some of the factory stickiness out of it. Yeah, so when this is all the way out, by the way, you can pull this back like most of these types of tools and pop that out. So if you ever have spring come loose or whatever, you need to change it. Pull this all the way down again. Pop that back in there. So that's all the way open. Let's measure that. It looks like just about 2.5 inches as published. 2.48 inches. And that 2.48 inches is about this number, 63 millimeters to 255 millimeters is about 10 inches long. Still a little tight right there. It works better when it's open when you're tightening it down. Must be the extra force pushed on here. It's holding it back. This also has a nut here, so if you don't want to go in all the way, you can use that nut to keep it backed off some. Really nice feel. Very solid, no flimsiness at all. That's a nice release. Really nice. Journal lock. Curved jaw locking pliers. 10 inch. Number 102-0.